Trading
Trading
crash
crash
and
and
boom
boom.
was very hard, but in today's video, you will learn the easy way to trade crash and boom. Latest strategy that I use to grow $10 account. If you want to make money trading crash and boom, then this is the only video that you ever need, because in this video, I will be telling you everything you need to know about scalping 5 candlestick 100%, no loss guys, no loss at all, at all. So in this strategy, it is very simple. You can scalp 5 candlesticks successfully without no loss. See over here guys.
Video. So watch to the end, guys. So as you can see here now, guys, as you can see here, as you can see here, guys, is touching the 10 level. This is crash 100, crash 1000, guys. This is crash 1000. And here now is touching our MACD is touching the level 10. And our moving average cross the MACD at the level 10, which you will pick your 5 candlesticks successfully when it is buying. When it is buying, guys, you pick your 5 candlesticks successfully when it is buying. So as you can see here now, crash 1000, sorry, crash 1000 is buying here, guys. Look at it. So guys, if you want to see your screen very well when you are trading, guys, at times our screen will look like this. Some of us don't know how to zoom in and zoom out your screen when you are trading, guys. Here now, it is zoom in, guys. If you did not look well, you will not see it well. So guys, if you want to see your screen very well, always just wash my hand, zoom out. You see the way I am zooming it out. I'll make sure that I zoom it out completely. Guys, are you seeing it? And the zoom level used in this is zoom 2. Use level 2, guys. Don't use 3 or 4. Use level 2 so that you can see it very clear. And again, before you enter this trade, guys, you make sure that your MACD, your MACD here, guys, watch it. Here is pointing to this cross here. To make sure that it's really touching the 10 level. You will point it here. When you point it here and it's still touching and it crosses there, then you pick your 5 candlestick. Pick your 5 candlestick. Don't mind the long of this trade that you're seeing here. Just pick 5 candlestick width. If your account is big, use $1 to trade. Guys, every day you make $5 each day. You times it by, let me just say, 26 days. You'll be earning $130 every month with this strategy. Just every day, don't be greedy. Every day, program is that every day I'll be making $5 every day. Every day you'll be making $5. Times it in a month, guys, you will know what it's worth. So that when you point it and this moving average here cross the MACD, you wait for it to cross. Make sure you wait for it to cross. From here now, guys, you will enter and pick your 5 candlestick. You will leave, and you can see our moving average cross the green. Moving average is above the blue moving average for buy, but if it's for sell, our blue will be above and our green will be below for sale. So guys, let's check. Let's check if we can see this strategy again, guys. As you can see, let's position it very well, guys. See. So as you can see now, here it really touch, and you can see our cross here, and you see it cross over there. Guys, pick your 10 candlestick successfully. Pick your 10 candlestick. You leave the market. So guys, let's check again. Guys, here did not touch. Guys, you can see it here now. Always apply the rules. Take 5 candlestick, guys. When it cross, you enter with your $1. You take 5 candlestick. That $1 here can give you, when you take the 5 candlestick, can give you 1 point something dollar. You are out of the market. You wait for another. You wait for another opportunity, guys. Let's check crash.
So
So
guys,
guys,
let's
let's
check
check
crash
crash 5.
500. Sorry, let's check crash 500. Okay, guys, you can see crash 500 is buying. You can see in this place now, our moving average touched the 10 level and it crossed. Guys, it have not crossed very well here, as you can see. It have not crossed very well. You have to wait for it to cross very well. So guys, it now fall back to our same 10 level. Guys, it's still good entry to enter. Guys, we are now waiting. Guys, here it's crossed very well. Guys, you can see the crossing very well here. Now you pick your 5 candlestick, you leave the market. Guys, pick 5 candlestick. So guys, let's pick 5 candlestick and leave. Let's order our 5 candlestick so that we'll leave the market, because here it crossed very well at the level 10 there, as you all can see it. So guys, let's check boom 300 and see. Guys, let's check. Guys, our boom 300 is also ready for sale. It's also ready for sale. So let's wait for the crossover there at the level 10. Let's do it at the level 10 here. Let's wait for the crossover. So we have another trade to enter there. So let's check crash 500. That guys, this strategy works very well. This crash 300 is selling, guys, so we don't have to buy. This strategy works very well, guys. It works very, very well. 100%, guys. 100%. Even though it spike, as long as you wait for the touch at the crossing level, yeah, crossover here, guys, you will pick your 5 candlestick. If it spike, you leave it. Don't cut the loss. Wait for it to went back, then you will take your profit. You leave the market, guys. So let's go and check our boom 300 if it's ready to enter. So guys, as you can see, price 300, wait for the finish of this candle before we enter this market, guys. Let's wait before we can enter the market. It's very simple, guys. Very, very simple. You can use it to build your account. Every day you make $5 times. Let me just say 26 days. You trade 26 days. We are making 130 US dollar every month. So guys, let's enter crash for sale. Guys, we have entered for sale. So let's go and check our crash if we have meet up with the candlestick. No, we are not yet meet up with the candlestick, guys. We have not meet up with the candlestick and possible of spike, but don't be afraid of the spike. Take your 5 candlestick before you leave the market. As you can see, for here now is buying. In 1 minute time frame is buying. In 1 minute time frame. So we are scalping. This strategy is all about scalping. Don't be too greedy. When you got your 5 candlestick, you leave the market. Don't be too greedy, guys. Don't be too greedy. So guys, don't know what boom 1000 is saying, but we'll have to check it also, guys. Guys, we did not see this, guys. This is a very perfect entry to pick your 5 candlestick and leave the market. A very perfect entry that you can pick your 5 candlestick, you leave the market, guys. So guys, let's check our crash because we are picking 5 candlestick. We are picking 5 candlestick. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's remaining 1 candlestick for us. It's remaining 1 candlestick for us, guys. It's remaining 1 candlestick. Then we'll leave the market. So guys, don't know. Okay, but Boom 500 is selling, guys. Boom 500. So let's go and check our trade, guys. Let's check our trade. Have we gotten our 5 candlestick? Guys, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, guys, we have gotten our 5 candlestick. Let's check what our 5 candlestick is giving us. Guys, can you see it? Then you take this and you wait for another opportunity, guys. You take it, you wait for another. Don't be greedy. Take what it gives to you and you leave the market. So let's check our boom 300. If our 5 candlestick is correct, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, it's remaining one candlestick. It's remaining one candlestick. So guys, this strategy works very well. Don't play with any strategy that I'm dropping in this channel. Don't play with it. If you are afraid, you test it with your demo account before you go to real account. But I'm assuring you, this strategy works 100%. 100. As long as you wait for this condition to meet, you make sure you position your MACD at that cross up here, guys. You position it, you make sure that this red MACD here is touching the 90 level for sell. If it's touching the 90 level, you wait for this crossover. Wait for the crossover, you enter, you pick 5 candlestick, guys. Don't be greedy. Don't mind how long the market went. Take 5 candlestick, you leave the market. Guys, let's milk this market. Let's milk it, guys. We have to make money. This is 2024 and we have to use it and make money, guys. So let's count our candlestick now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 minutes candlestick, guys. So we can take this 5 minutes candlestick. We leave the market and wait for another opportunity. So guys, let's go. As you can see, I've earned almost $5. I can just say $5, guys. I will leave this market and wait for another opportunity. But I am okay. Every day you make your $5 account. If your account is small, you trade and make $5 accounts. You leave the market. Count it 26 days. You build your account before you trade 2 or 3 trade a day. So guys, in case if you are new to this channel, my name is Blessing and the name of my channel is BB Forex Trading. Guys, as you can see it now, can you see the spike now? I am out. So you can see the spike. Don't be greedy. Take 5 candlestick. It will come down, but now you have lost. If you did not take the 5 candlestick, and it shoot like this, you will be afraid to get out of the market. It will still come down because in our 1 minute time frame, it's showing us crossover for sale. And here is touching. So guys, don't be afraid. It will come down again, but it's good to abide by the rules, guys. Can you see? I take my 5 candlestick. I leave the market in peace. In peace, guys. So guys, I can say let's end this for here today. The name of my channel is BBFS Trading. In case if you are new and you have not clicked that red subscribe button, guys, please click the red subscribe button. So guys, let me show you guys the indicators I used in this strategy. So let's check. You know our sign here. You can see the sign here. You click it. You will move. Guys, we didn't use this fractal. It's default settings, guys. It's default settings. So here is our first moving average on our main chart. We use 48 exponential close. Style 2 pixel. Apply to any color of your choice, guys. You click your done here. You click it. You move next to the moving average. See, our next moving average here is period 150. Shift 0 exponential, apply to close, style 2 pixel, then any color of your choice, guys. You come again, you click your done. So the window 1 indicator, we have our relative strength index, guys. No, sorry, guys. We have our relative strength index 14, guys. Apply to close. Style 2 pixel. You use the color of the background you are using to trade, guys. I'm using white, so I used white. Then you went to your levels. This is your level 90 10. Then style 2 pixel, any color of your choice, guys. You go back, you click your done. Click your. So the next indicator here is Mark D. As you can see, our fast EMA is 12. Slow EMA is 26, and our MACD SMA is 1. Apply to close. Main, your style, the main is 3 pixel, any color of your choice. Signal, 3 pixel, any color of your choice, guys. That is all. You click done. So the next and our last indicator here is moving average 5, as you can see. Moving average 5. Shift 0 exponential. Apply to previous indicator data. Style 2 pixel, any color of your choice, guys. And this is all the indicators used for this strategy today. So guys, as you can see, it's still going up. It's still going up. Still going up, guys. As you can see, it's still going up. So if you don't have patience now, you will lose your capital. You will lose your capital. And I am out with my gain because I am not greedy. I am not greedy. Let's check crash 500 again and see. Okay, crash 500 is going, but don't be greedy. You take your 5, you leave. Don't be greedy. So guys, here is the end of this video today. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button, like the video, and also practice with your demo account. They made it easy for us to practice with our demo account before going to live. So guys, practice with your demo account before going to live. And remember, the zoom level of this strategy is zoom 2, guys. Use 2. See you guys on my next video. Bye.